In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the DocuSign login error. Sometimes technology doesn't cooperate, right? But don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll be sailing smoothly through the DocuSign login process. Let's dive in and tackle this issue step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the DocuSign website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in DocuSign in the search bar, or directly entering their web address. Once you're on their homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually prominently placed at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and give that a click. When the login page loads, you should see a field prompting you to enter your email. Take a moment to type your email address accurately. It's crucial to ensure there are no typos here because an incorrect email could lead to further login issues. Once you've entered your email, proceed by clicking Next. Now, if you have indeed forgotten your password, there's no need to worry. Simply look for the Reset Password option that should be available on the screen and give it a click. This will trigger an email to be sent to you containing a verification code. Head over to your email inbox, find the DocuSign email, and take note of the verification code provided. Return to the DocuSign login page and you'll be prompted to enter the verification code. Do so carefully, as entering the incorrect code will prevent you from resetting your password successfully. If everything's done correctly, you can proceed to update your password and regain access to your account. However, if you continue to face issues or the above steps didn't lead to a successful login, there might be some additional troubleshooting required. Let's try another approach by accessing your browser settings. In most browsers, you'll find three dots, usually at the top right of your window. Click on these, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once in Settings, navigate to the Privacy and Security section. Here, you'll find an option to clear your browsing data. Frequently, old data or cache can cause conflicts, so we recommend selecting and deleting this data. This could potentially resolve the login issue on the spot. After doing this, return to the DocuSign website and attempt your login again. If the problem persists, it could be worth trying a different browser, as sometimes specific browser compatibility issues can arise. Finally, if all else fails and you're still encountering difficulties, reaching out to DocuSign's customer support will be your next best step. They have a dedicated team ready to assist you with any additional troubleshooting required. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you fix your DocuSign login error. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Have a great day, and happy signing.